Watch the connection point.
Every day, millions of vehicles, factories, and machines depend on a resource hidden thousands of meters beneath the Earth's surface. But how do engineers locate it, drill through layers of solid rock, and bring it safely to the surface? In today's video, you'll follow the complete offshore oil extraction process, from the first drill pipe to the first flow of crude oil. Stay with us until the end to see how one of the world's most complex industrial operations turns a deep underground reservoir into a vital source of energy for modern life. If you enjoy learning how things are made and how large-scale industrial systems work, be sure to like this video, subscribe to Future Flow Factory, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next journey inside the world's most fascinating factories and engineering processes.
All right, clear the area. Crane 1 is engaging the load.
Copy that, lifting now. Watch your swing.
All right, keep it steady. We are clear of the trailer now. Roger that, coming up slow.
Huge sections of drill pipe are lifted skyward, ready to begin their descent underground. The drill bit starts spinning rapidly, cutting into the earth below with immense force. High-speed turbines generate tremendous power, fueling the operation deep beneath the surface. The platform vibrates with energy as every system works together in perfect rhythm. Steel connections lock firmly into place, creating a secure path toward the depths. Inside the control room, operators watch closely, turning data into precise decisions. Bright welding sparks scatter through the workshop as maintenance crews support the mission. Cooling water flows across hot equipment, preventing damage from extreme operating conditions. Broken rock and debris are removed continuously, clearing the path for deeper drilling. Ancient rock formations resist the advance, challenging the strength of modern engineering. Experienced workers remain focused on their task, despite the demanding conditions around them. Covered in dust and oil, the crew presses forward, determined to reach the target below. Even during brief pauses, the operation continues, driven by discipline and routine. Advanced technology guide the drilling process, revealing what lies hidden underground.
This section here is critical. Double-check the alignment at this junction point before proceeding with the installation.
Watch the connection point.
Looks good, keep lowering.
Close the BOP! We have a kick! It's too late, we're losing pressure! Get back!
A powerful vibration moves through the structure, signaling success deep underground. A bright flare ignites above the rig, announcing a major milestone has been reached. Returning drilling fluid begins to darken, carrying evidence of oil from below.
There it is.
Data
We have
streams
maximum
surge
flow.
across the monitors, confirming the scale of the find.
Unbelievable, we actually did it.
The main valve is carefully opened, preparing the system for production. At last, the black gold begins to flow, rising from the heart of the earth.
I can't believe we actually won. We showed them what we're worth.
Laboratory tests quickly verify the quality of the newly discovered resource. The oil is directed into storage systems, beginning its journey through the global supply chain. Production records are updated carefully, documenting a historic moment for the operation. Leaders observe the achievement with satisfaction, knowing every challenge was worth the effort. Soon, pump systems begin their steady rhythm, maintaining a continuous flow from below. As daylight fits, operations continue smoothly under the glow of industrial lighting. Complex processing equipment regulates the flow, preparing the crude for transport. The platform stands victorious at sunset, overlooking the vast ocean horizon. Night falls across the sea, while thousands of lights illuminate the structure. The flare burns brightly against the darkness, a beacon visible for miles. Pipelines extend across great distances, carrying energy toward cities and industries. Large transport vessels arrive nearby, ready to receive the valuable cargo. Beneath the moonlight, the rig remains active, continuing its mission without pause. Production flows steadily and reliably, supporting the growing demands of modern society. As another sunrise approaches, the cycle of extraction continues once again. Every system works together seamlessly, combining technology, experience, and determination. Deep beneath the surface, the reservoir continues providing the energy hidden for ages. This is the remarkable journey of black gold, from deep underground to the modern world. A story of engineering, perseverance, and innovation, driven by humanity's endless pursuit of progress. And as the flow continues into the future, the legacy of steel, fire, and ambition lives on.